Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's talk about this Melissa and Doug children's learning toy. This is a great little sturdy product. I love it. So this box by Melissa and Doug has the wooden panels. Each panel has 2 words on it. Each side is really clearly decorated and the words are really distinct. I love the fact that it's inset so they don't just slide all over the place, but it also makes it really easy to tidy up. They are functional words and great for identifications of different items for children's learning. One thing I really appreciate is just how sturdy these are. They're very thick and very well made and really good for small fingers and will stand up to a little bit of throwing around just based on how sturdy they are. Each letter is individually painted, so you don't have to worry about the color peeling as it is solid, and I really appreciate that too. These things do need to get handled quite a bit, so I really love the fact that they do go that extra step to make it really, really versatile and sturdy. It packs up really nicely. It's great for storage, just keeping it on a shelf. So guys, I love it, but that's just my point of view.